my Bhcosmetics palette. I've got a whole bunch of different colors here. As you can see, I've been anxious to try. I mentioned this in my TJ Maxx shopping haul. Actually, I think I got those at Ross, but same video. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a whirl and see if I can recreate a green eye look that I found online. So first I'm gonna be priming my eyes with my NYX eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my under eye with my green eyeliner that I got from Ulta. And the other side of this eyeliner is like a turquoise color, so I think I'm gonna throw a little bit of that in there too. I've got this really light sea green look for the base as a transition color. So I'm gonna grab a Wet n Wild all over brush and put that, sweep that all over my lid. Okay, next I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go in just a little bit deeper with this color right here, right next to it. I'm just gonna get a little daring here, and I'm just gonna go in all of the major green colors, all 6 of these up top, and then this one down here, and then just apply it all over the lid and see if I can build up some more color. I'm going to actually use the darker colors a little bit further down. I'm gonna use this brighter shimmery green up at the top. To my Morphe 505 blending brush and try to blend this out. Now that I like the way that looks, I'm going to grab my Morphe M213, this tiny little flat brush here, and I'm going to put some of this shimmery green down here at the bottom underneath my lower lashes. Washing me out in this video. All right, I think I'm gonna go for a cut crease look. And in order to do that, I'm just gonna grab this little flat brush here and dip it onto my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm actually gonna conceal everything on my lid and put some shimmery green right there. So you can tell it's got a little bit more shine there. Next, I'm going in with a yellow color, and I'm going to, it's pretty bright. Let's see, I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Seafoam shimmer right here to go in the middle, and I am probably going to clean off this brush. I'm going to use a setting spray to wet it after I dip into it, so it'll be a little bit more of a pop. Now I need to find a much darker colored green to go in my corner. Tapered brush. I'm just gonna dab it right here in my crease, in the outer corner. And then with what's left, I'm just gonna sweep over my creases. Give it a little bit of dimension. I'm actually gonna mix the teal and this blue color and go over that some. Add a little bit of blue to the mix. Definitely use a little bit more shimmer at the top of my lid. Okay, so I'm just going in with a little bit of a white shadow right underneath my brow bone for a little bit of shimmer.
Get me some love tonight.
I'm recording as you just got dressed on camera.
I didn't say, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Can't think that was happening. Can't see the phone at all.
Not liking these lashes. They're salon perfect like I normally get, but like they're so hard to maneuver up top. Like this part that lines right on your eye is very, very thick and heavy. So it feels like I'm putting like sheer plastic on my eyes rather than lashes. And I'm really disappointed in that. It's driving me crazy. How can I fix this? I don't even know how I can fix this. I really didn't know if I felt like attempting a wing today, but it's too late now. Everything's staying put. And this one does not want to stay put. Okay, everybody. That's my completed eye look. You like what you see? Give me a thumbs up. This was all using Bhcosmetics. This whole entire 120 color palette was like $7.99 at Ross. And this is what I did with it. If you like it, go ahead and click subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.